returned.
You are not done yet.
How did you know where to find this?
He has shown me.
You haven't told me what you want in return.
Only that you learn what you are truly capable of. Find an orc leader, make him a warchief, and all his soldiers will be yours.
But where am I to lead this army of mine?
Bring them to me, and I will show you.
Marwen said to bring her an army.
We shall not build an army. We shall command one.
We'll need to find an Uruk captain to dominate and make our own.
There is a slaver near here named Grüblik. We will make him serve our cause.
You could throw a slave's head in the air, and our archers could turn it into a pincushion before it even hit the ground. Got a spare head lying around? Let's give it a go.
Where there are slaves to be tortured, we will find this captain.
Help mechanical!
Grüblik.
What? Truly walking for me!
Whining about his lost field. That's insane.
Look at him up! What was that noise? Find him! Tear its flesh! From our lesson already? Aye!
Your screams will bring such pleasure to me, at least. Not so sure about you.
Show me what you know, fight! group of us will rip you apart! We came from the sky! Oh, shatter your knees once I get you! Must have frightened the talk away. We've had What was that? Just my imagination, I suppose. Shrock! The Ranger! Bleed the Shrock! Come on then, talk! I can! Don't let me! You know it would all start! Ready for pain! Next time, Ranger! Next time I'll get you! Supper! I'm to make you breathe! I'm to make a name for you! You're weak! Die now! I've been waiting.
We need him alive. It is done. He's ours.
We must now make this captain a bodyguard, if he is ever to be a warchief.
It is from first strike of thunder that is soon born a storm.
Wraith Walker mocks us all. Make him pay, I say. He can drive the bravest of Uruk out of battle, gibbering with fear. Something on the air. Join me, or face the end of my sword, maggots! You lack a captain's strength, scum!
I must help Grüblik eliminate all those who challenge him.
protege wields fear like a weapon, and we are his invisible ally.
A shadow who stays close and sees all. That is the Elven way.
Stand by my side, or lay dead at my feet! Snap your Get him, Kill!
Our captain fights for us well.
Through my will, he steers these Uruks of Mordor.
Kill for me in service of the Dark Lord. I see him. Careful. Return. A blade is sharper than any trick. You lose. The weakling who runs from danger, eh? Pathetic! You and me! I conquered the weak! Now join me in victory! Any who oppose me will pay with their blood to red swords! That coward ran away! Hail our captain! May we die last! We fight for true Uruk!
Now that we have our hunter, let us stalk our prey.
The Warchief has chosen our captain.
And he has chosen death. A great advantage will ready us for this battle.
For every Uruk I kill. We'll have actions. Puppet, you're mine! Slave's heart was too chewy for my money. It's tastier while it's still beating.
Listen to them. Vile, savage beasts.
And we shall harness and command their savagery.
Those who were too got into it again.
We are ready for our final move. You shall abide.
I must help our puppet before they cut his strings.
Don't take your eyes off him or he'll be on
I need to assist in the fight.
I fight for the Dark Lord, and you shall fight for me! This is my dominion! I am the strongest Warchief in all of Mordor! I shall lead my army over a field of broken skulls! Come stand behind me, or let my blade meet your neck!
Queen Marwen's plan has given us great strength.
Strength should not be squandered, but wielded. The Queen will show us how.
Marwen's strategy yields great results. An army of our own to face darkness head-on.
A mirror looking upon itself, ready to be cracked.
We should return to Marwen. She will have more for us.
Together we can be invincible. The Dark Lords are still weak. Our army can destroy him. Mother!
Break the staff.
I am now that I can finally see you, my child.
Your mother. He's been under the spell of a very powerful wizard.
Talion, I am sorry. Saruman brought you here against my will. I went to him for help. I ended up being a prisoner within my own body.
What have you seen in your visions?
I have seen Sauron's servants. The tower. And the Black Hand. They bring much suffering. If you wish to know where they are across the Sea of Nurnen.
Their forces. How strong?
Strong enough to defeat us all.
Then we truly will need an army.
Illness still plagues you. Rest, Mother. I will make preparations for our journey out of Mordor.
Saruman is one of the Istari. With the power of the ring, he could have built a great army to challenge the Dark Lord.
And that's what we must do. The one garrison does not an army make.
Yes. We must dominate more war chiefs for a true army.